Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will try to learn about the control statements in this one. So we'll try to understand how we can decision control in programming in the C language. We'll try to see it. Not only in the C language, in all the programming languages, how we can control this decision control. Let's try to see. For example, let's say that in our real-time life, if you want to modify our actions, we often modify our actions based on the specific conditions. For example, let's say that if the weather is fine, you might decide to go for a stroll. Let's say if the highway is busy, you might take a diversion, or something like if someone joins a WhatsApp group, you might send them interesting videos. So like this, you will be having some decision making. So these decisions depend on whether certain conditions are met or not. Similarly, in the programming also, conditions determine which actions to perform. This is essential because not all programs can execute instructions in a fixed sequential manner. So let's try to see about this one. In programming, sometimes we want one set of instructions to execute under certain circumstances and another set in a different circumstances. So in C programming, this is achieved using decision control instance. So for this one, so how it will look like is, for example, let's say that the syntax for this one is, I will try to show you. If condition is there, statement 1. So like this it will be. If condition, statement 1, or else statement 2. So here explanation is, the condition is enclosed in a parenthesis. If the condition evaluates to true, the statement 1 is executed. If the condition evaluates to false, then the statement 2 will be executed. The statement 2 will be executed. Conditions are created using relational operators which compare two values. So the relational operators are, first one is, so relational operators define how two values are compared. Here are the operators and their meanings. For example, let's say that you will be having something like x is equal to y. So not triple equal to x equal to y. So this one is true if x is equal to y, and we will have another situation, x is not equal to y, and this one will be true if x is not equal to y, and here you will be having x less than y. These are all relational operators. True if x is less than y, x is greater than y. So here it will be true if x is greater than y, x is less than or equal to y. Then true if x is less than or equal to y, and here it will be x greater than or equal to y. So if it is true if x is greater than or equal to y. So these are the conditions, relational operators which we will be checking. So equal to is the equal to is equal to operator. You need to understand here, it is used to compare two values. If you are having single equal to means, then it is an assignment operator used to assign a value to a variable. So this is what about the condition statement. So now I will try to give a simple example to understand the if-else statements in and the relational operators. So for example, let's say that the problem for this one is, if a quantity is purchased more than 1000 means, then I need to apply 10% discount to that one. Otherwise, I should not apply any discount. So we need to calculate the total expenses based on the quantity and the price per item. So let's try to go into this one. So here I will try to create a new file, that is nothing but new file, or otherwise I will take it in online editor. Yeah, here online editor will be fine. So here I will be asking, so we will be having int quantity. So I will be having a quantity, and another one is discount. Let's issue. So these are the quantities and the discount, and we will be having a float, that is nothing but total rate, rate, and also the total. So this one is the thing, price per item. Rate means price per item. So now here I will be asking printf enter quantity and price per item. Okay, so this is our printf, and I will do scanf. So quantity means percentage d, so it should be whole number, and percentage of, here I can do ampersand quantity. Another one is ampersand rate. So now here, if quantity is greater than 1000 means, then I need to apply a discount. So here discount will be 10%, or otherwise else will be discount will be 0. Discount is equal to 0. So this is the condition. So now here I need to apply the quantity, so total price. So here first of all, so discount price I need to take. So what is the discount price? So here what I can do it is, here I can apply something like what I can do it is, so float here also I can do price with discount. So we don't know, right, price with discount how much you will be able to get. So here I can do price with discount is equal to, so this one is price with discount is equal to, so how much it will be, quantity, here I can write into quantity, so how much is the quantity and also how much is the rate, and I need to apply the discount. So this all divided by 100, so I can get, so it's not 1100. So now I will get the price per discount. So total quantity means, so what can I do here, total is equal to, so here I can write something like quantity into rate. So this is the total thing. I need to cancel out with the price with the discount, that's it. So I can get the discount, right? So if no discount is there means there will be a 0 only. So here I can do printf total expenses is equal to rupees, you can keep it, percentage of /n, and here I can give the total, that's it. So return 0. Now if you try to execute this, let's try to run this one. So it is asking enter quantity and price per item. Okay, quantity is 10 and price per item is 45. Our quantity is more than 1000, right? So without quantity you will try to do. So that means here what it will do, 10 into 45 it should be something around. So here you will be able to see 10 into 45, 450 rupees is the total expenses. So in the same scenario, what I will try to do, I will try to calculate with the discount. So here the discount will be greater than 1000, right? So I will be giving 1100, okay, and the item is 4 rupees, let's assume. So here you will be able to see the discount has been applied around 40 rupees or something like that. So here we are able to get 3960. So with the discount it has been applied. So here how the program works. So user enters the quantity and the price per item. So here we are entering, and if the quantity is greater than 1000 means the condition evaluates to true and the discount is set to 10%. And if the quantity is less than or equal to 1000 means the condition evaluates to false and the discount is applied to 0. So total expenses is calculated something like the total expenses to here the total is quantity into rate, and here I need to calculate the discount, how much discount it needs to apply. So quantity into rate discount by 100, so that I can get the discount, how much discount I need to apply. If the discount is 0 means everything by divided by 0 is D0 only. So here for total means minus this minus thing, and I will be able to get the expense. So here the total expense is printed. So this is how we will be calculating. So now, so if no action is needed means when the condition is false means you can omit the else block also, that's not a problem. You can keep it as a discount is equal to 0, here you can initialize it, and here you can remove this else block, so then you can omit this one also. So this also works, not a problem. So here you can see 10 and 45, so you will be able to get the same output. And here if you try to observe the same thing, 1206, so you will be able to see 6480. So then also it will work. This concludes the explanation of the decision control instruction, relational operators, and the simple if-else statement in the C programming. So hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.